Welcome! We are the Roving Vets, and on this episode, we found our GoPro footage of when we got lost hiking in the desert. So as I stated in an introduction on this video, we've actually already posted this video, however we lost the GoPro footage. So we are now at White Rock Canyon in Arizona. It is pretty close to the Hoover Dam, Lake Mead area. We are going to go hiking today, and apparently there are hot springs here, so we did bring swimsuits. So if we get to that, then we'll get to it. This is why women live longer than men. He has a Maverick in his hands right now, and I know Maverick is freaking the heck out. He's not liking it. Oh my God. He made it at least. This is the part where Rob had to go up a little bit before me so that way he could see if it was even possible to take Maverick up here or not. Well, it was, so up we went. One thing I'm going to add on here is Maverick actually did not like the hot springs. He was whimpering, he was fussing, so just know if you're going to do this with the dog, they're probably not going to like it. I think the hot springs were probably a little hotter than he would like. Would it be great for a human? Oh yes, absolutely. Just not a dog. It was just too hot. Not something I would suggest ever in a million years with a dog. Don't do it. I'm just videoing you. I think I remember saying probably leave Maverick. Let's do it first by ourselves, and then next time maybe bring Maverick. Rob said, nope, we're taking my dog. And he's about to get his head pulled off.
You think you can make it, buddy?
Come on, buddy. We were actually probably pretty totally lost by this point, and we just didn't know it. Note to yourself, if you are taking a path and it looks like it's way too difficult, it probably is, and you're probably going the wrong way. One thing that we failed to realize when we did this is, well, at this point we were still pretty new to the Arizona area, and we didn't really know anything about washes. Well, there are washes that look like walking paths. They are not the same. Ask us how we know. We ended up getting lost twice. We got lost and then lost her, I'll say. But, yeah, we were lost. Didn't even know it, but we were. Well, we officially found something that we didn't think we were going to see today, giving me more indication that we could be lost. We got petroglyphs, but didn't see that anywhere on anything of where we were coming today, so... Yeah, this is my angry face. Yeah, that's me. Well, this is really exciting. We're lost in the desert mountains. Perfect. I got that on camera. Well, did you even bring dry clothes? I know I brought dry clothes. He's lost. I'm lost, so yeah. By about this point, there was absolutely no denying that we would be lost in the desert at night somewhere we had never been. I was so mad and so frustrated at this point, but now looking back, it's funny. But only because we made it out. I'm sure you probably can't see me right now because we did successfully turn a 6-mile trip into, at this point, 15. And we still ain't back yet. Needless to say, we got lost. The only way I know to explain how I'm feeling right now is if you've never been lost in the desert, it's a very refreshing sound when you can finally hear vehicles, because that means you're at least kind of somewhere near civilization. So, yeah, at least we can hear cars now. I'm not gonna lie, that might have been the hardest thing I've ever done in my entire life. But we made it. We're back in the car, in the Jeep. Oh, the light's going out. Even Maverick's sore today. He can't get off the couch. So, yeah. Hey, even dogs get sore. We had to feed him like this on the couch for like 3 days, poor little dude.